So why do students choose community or state colleges? Why do they come here, versus going to the university first? Well, they're very, very helpful in the sense that the success rate is very high. It's a smaller field. Universities are very big, large classes and things like that. We have lots of academic support. Community colleges, they have tutors that are here every day for free. That's all they do. Their job is to help tutor students. That's available. We have lots of guaranteed admissions to universities. We have special agreements with universities in our state. So for example, state of Florida, the University of South Florida, they have a campus 10 minutes away. They have a campus 40 minutes away, the bigger campus. Also Florida A&M University, which is also called FAMU. We have guaranteed pathways. And what that means is, as long as you have a 2.0 GPA, which is a C average, when you graduate here with an associate's degree, you will automatically be guaranteed a seat or a spot at that college or university. As long as you do get a 2.0 and you applied, you're automatically accepted. There's no maybe or anything like that. So a lot of students like that feeling to know, okay, if I do this, I automatically get accepted. So that's a big, big benefit. Price. Everyone's got to pay, right? You have to pay the money. That's always a question. How much is it going to cost me? On average, a community college is 50% or half the price of what it would cost to go to a university. We do offer scholarships, so community colleges do have scholarships available to international students. That's a great thing. Many times community colleges have several locations, so if you want to be closer to the beach or closer to the downtown city, there's different options for campuses. Small classes, average size 20, 25 students in one class with your professor. Universities might have double, triple, maybe 4 or 5 times that amount, maybe 100 or more. And the great professors. So we have to follow the same rules that universities do with having, professors, doctorate degrees, PhDs, things like that. So many of our professors are going to be Dr. So-and-so or doctor, or, they're going to have high level education to teach that class. I wanted to break down kind of just to show you our college. So if you were to go to university, this is about 1 year old, so it might have changed, but it's about $4,600, $4,600 to go to school here for one semester. It's closer to $8,000 to go to school at a university. This is average, average prices. We do have payment plans at community colleges, so you can pay like over 2-3 months. You pay half now, half later. That's an option. So there's different opportunities for payment plans. Next slide. How does it work? So if you want to apply, you apply to a community college, you submit all your documents, you'll have to have your passport and financial documents and things like that. You'll get a letter from us that says, congratulations, you're accepted. And then what you'll have to do is accept that letter, maybe take some tests and things that you can take from home if you want, or on campus when you come. And then we'll issue your I-20. The great thing with community colleges is they're open access. So what that means is, you don't have to worry about having a certain SAT score or things like that. We accept everybody. The difference is, where are you going to start? Are you going to start immediately in degree classes? Do you have to take English classes? Can you skip, maybe jump to a higher level mathematics? That all depends on how well you do in your placement test. And those tests are free. You don't have to pay for them. So that kind of is just a quick overview of community colleges and how those work, those programs. But in general, a lot of these things that I explained to you are very common in community colleges throughout the United States. And then at the end, when you hear from 2 more presentations, Deborah and Sarah will then jump to questions. So thank you guys for your time, and I'll be on the call here for the questions at the end.